Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Pinch Me unboxing. If you're new, my name is Sarah and I'd love for you to join the fam, so hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that way you stay notified when I upload. I believe it's only in the United States. Pinch Me is 100% free to sign up. You don't have to type in your credit card or anything. You fill out like this profile and it's going to ask you a bunch of questions, and basically those questions will help determine whether the samples are going to be right for you. They have a day out of the month. It's called Sample Tuesday. It varies every time in the month. It used to be like the first week of the month. Now it's the second week. Sometimes it's the third week. So you definitely have to follow Pinch Me on Facebook. Usually I get an email that tells me, hey, don't forget to RSVP Sample Tuesday. So then I click that link and it takes me to the Facebook page. So it's not a necessity that you have to RSVP, but I think they're just looking for engagement on their Facebook page. I do want to say that the samples are not always guaranteed. I know there's people who get upset that they sign up and they haven't gotten samples whatsoever at all, and they'd be like, I've been trying this for 6 months and I haven't gotten anything. Well, with me, I was lucky. I was getting them back to back to back. This was like forever ago. I think it was almost 2 years ago since I've been doing Pinch Me. And I was getting them consecutively. And then all of a sudden it stopped for like 5 months. So I think that they're trying to cycle through members and stuff like that. So that way they're trying to be fair across the board. Because like I said, there was a moment where I just wasn't getting any boxes whatsoever, and now even to this day it's hit or miss. So it's like every other month that I get samples. There's sometimes 2 months go by that I don't get samples, but they do offer free magazine subscriptions. So that's something that I like to take advantage of, because I mean, it's free magazines, even if it's just for 3 months or 6 months. They don't even take your credit card information for that either. They just ask you for your address and they give you like this code to redeem, and that is it. Like, I have not been charged any suspicious anything because I haven't had to type in my card information for this website. They are launching this new thing where you take surveys and you accumulate points to receive, I think, a free box or something. Or you can use your points to buy a box. I don't know, I haven't really dug into it yet, but you can also enter in chance to win like big trips and stuff. Go check it out. I'm going to leave it linked down below. I just want to leave that disclaimer that the samples aren't always going to be promised every month, and I've been there, so I know the struggle firsthand. Alright, so it usually comes with like a little coupon or something. This is from Slim Fast, and this is just like an I was going to say infomercial. Well, I guess it's basically like an infomercial on paper. So it's just basically telling me about Slim Fast because I got these little Slim Fast Booster Craving Control Gummies. Now, I don't know if this company is cruelty-free or not. It's kind of like one of those Procter & Gamble, how they own other companies and they might not be cruelty-free. Y'all know what I mean? Anyways, I'm going to have to check on this, because if not, I don't even know what I'm going to do with these. You have to review the products that you get to help them ensure that you're not kind of just using them to get free stuff. They definitely want your feedback, so do not forget to fill out your reviews or surveys once they're available. And you do get an email that says, hey, this is ready to be reviewed. Let us know what you think. Alright, the next product in here is from Garnier. Of course, it's not cruelty-free, sadly, but it's from their Whole Blends line, and it's their Gentle Shampoo. Oat Delicacy, soothes, hydrates, and protects. It's paraben-free, and it's even tested on sensitive scalp. So I remember I was trying their Whole Blends. I don't know if it was like their honey line or something like that. I got that a while back in one of my Pinch Me boxes before I went cruelty-free, and I actually enjoyed that little sample. I think it was a honey or something. I don't know. It was in a little yellow container and it had like honeycombs on it or something. But anyways, I really like that line. It really made my hair soft, so I'm pretty sure this is going to be pretty good too. But like I said, I can't use it. Maybe I can get Shane to use it on his beard and he could tell me how that worked. And I could probably get him to like try these for me too. He's not real big on trying to be cruelty-free, so that's why I try to put this stuff on him. Alright, next in here is from RX Bar Kids. Okay, so this is probably like the third one I received in my Pinch Me box already. The first one that I tried, I don't know if I just let it go too long. It was probably 2 months and I realized that, oh my gosh, I haven't eaten it yet. So I tried it and it was so hard. Like, this one still feels kind of hard in here, but the other one was so hard and it was so disgusting. It was like some type of chocolate, or I don't know, but it wasn't tasty, and Savannah didn't like it. So I don't know, this one's still pretty fresh, if you will. This was my box from last month. I like giving her stuff like this that's I guess I want to say natural, or, you know, safe. It doesn't have a lot of sugar and it's not like bad for her, like for her teeth and stuff. I don't know. I like to give her organic stuff and fruit and just goodness for her. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to see if we like this because I cut it in half and we share it. Let me tell you, make sure that you also fill out your profile or complete it again. Like, make sure that you answered all the questions, because at the end of it, there's always a bonus question. So I always make sure that I answer those the night before Tuesday. So the next Sample Tuesday is going to be on the 24th, I believe. And it starts at 11 a.m. Central Time. Y'all can, you know, calculate it from there, wherever you're living, whatever state you're in. For me, I always go on at 11 a.m. Central Time. I don't know if I just got lucky that day, but I try to stay active on PinchMe's Instagram and their Facebook page, like I said, but it could be just luck. But every time my PinchMe boxes come in, I make sure to tag them, put them on my Insta stories, and sometimes even put it on my Instagram, on my news feed, or my Instagram feed. I don't know if it was just finally one of those they noticed me moments, and they chose me, and I won this huge box right here. It's not really like huge, but it's definitely packed full of goodies. Like, look, there's another RX bar. Like, this is not even the half of it. So there's that. A lot of this stuff is not cruelty-free, which is sad, but there are some cruelty-free stuff in here. So there's just color grabs, there's McCormick's taco seasoning. I'm really excited for this. This is a Shea Moisture Bubble Bath Body Wash and a lotion. And these sachets are pretty big, so I like that. I do have several of these because I like them, but it's from the Shea Moisture. It's the Peace Rose Oil Sensitive Skin Mud Mask. I really like this. It kind of stings, but I don't know. It makes me feel like the product is working. You toss this into your whites, and it's supposed to make it really bright. Some stuff from Gold Bond is a, let's see, I guess it's just lotions. 2 lotions from Gold Bond. I don't know if that's cruelty-free or not. From Vichy, this is a, I don't know, it just says, I guess it's a face serum, but it's just a little box like that. This is from Sinful, and it is in the shade Too Cool for Pool. It's blue with like this iridescent glitter in it, so Sinful's not cruelty-free. Another Sinful nail polish, and this is a top coat, so I don't know. It's clear. Okay, I was like, why is it black? But anyways, and then also a Olay body wash, which I cannot use. And then a Vagisil pH Balance Intimate Wash, which I cannot use because Vagisil, I don't think it's cruelty free. So I think I've showed you guys everything. So mark your calendars, set your alarm clocks, sign up down below, and make sure that you filled out the bonus question. That's a major thing to help them determine. There's no right or wrong answers. Every month that you go through your profile and you answer the questions, like sometimes my preferences change, and so I'll select those so that way my profile is not constantly like the same thing. And like, I don't know if that helped me start qualifying again because my preference did change. And also, I don't know if it's like my location where I'm living, the area as well. All right, so I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and again, I'll leave my link down below. I don't think I get anything from it, so it's not like affiliate or anything. I don't get paid. It's not sponsored, and I don't get anything from it. It's just me helping you find some free stuff. All right, so have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.